Now let's quickly go through the keyboard shortcuts that we will be using in the class, because they will speed up the process, and once you get used to them, they are really quick and easy to use. So we'll start with the going back to your select tool, which is hidden under your V key on your keyboard, and when you press it, whatever tool you were using is going to change to your select tool. Next, to move the objects around, you can use the arrow keys. So whichever way you want to move the point, just press the arrow that way. And here's a quick video of how it actually looks by pressing this top bottom arrows. The position of the point is changing accordingly. Next shortcut is zooming in and zooming out, because sometimes you want to bring the page a little bit closer so you can be a little more accurate with moving your points. So for that we use Command key and either plus for zooming in or minus for zooming out. And let's have a quick look how it actually looks in practice. So zooming in and zooming out. Next very useful shortcut is copy and paste shortcut. So you copy an object with Command C and you paste it with Command V keys. And how it looks here is you have to select the object, Command C to copy it, Command V to paste it, and then you can move it around. And if you Command V paste it again, and the object comes out in the exact same spot, and it's exactly the same object. And the last shortcut, which is very important for us for doing the 3D burning tool option, is duplicating a layer. So what you would do is you would click on the layer that you want to duplicate and press Command key, Shift key and D key together, and it will just duplicate the exact object or layer that you've chosen.